Actress and social media sensation Poonam Pandey is currently one of the most talked about contestants in the reality show Lock Up, which is hosted by Kangna Ranawat. In the show, Poonam made some shocking revelations about her troubled marriage with Sam Bomba. She also opened up about being a victim of domestic abuse for 4 years. In a recent episode, during her conversation with Payal Rohatgi and Sasha Sinde, Poonam revealed how Sam Bomba once hit her around her nose area and the after effects of the injury are still there. She said, I visited a lot of doctors even if I touch the area around my nose. It pops up, I cry and it pops up. Poonam also mentioned that she didn't share her pain of suffering domestic violence with anyone in 4 years. She said, I did not have the guts to be vocal. I would still pose for nice photos, talk to casually. My face was black and blue. I would put makeup on top of it and go to events. In one of the earlier episodes, all the inmates were given a topic of mental health and emotional well-being to discuss and share the darkest secret of their life. During her turn, Poonam spoke at length about her troubled relationship with Sam and said, the jail, the food, my sleep, it is luxury for me. I was in a relationship for 4 years, and for those 4 years of my life, I could not sleep, I could not eat, I would not eat for days. That's why I crave Bada Pav. I would get beaten up, I would get locked in one of my bedrooms. My phone was broken, so I could not make any calls, and the next time I would just feel that I should kill myself. I have tried to kill myself multiple times. कुत्ते की तरह मरता है ना, कुत्ते की तरह. She further